Hello everyone. Next we are going to use a clip on our head and then taking hair from both the sides as you can see and attaching them with a clip. After that we are going to repeat the same steps again and again and making this design with our hair, and then you can see your beautiful hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take a pony and then using the stool into our hair for folding them out in the side, and then taking the excess hair and then folding it with the help of a rubber band and attaching a pin to it as you can see in the video. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, putting a rubber band and then folding them out, and then dividing the hair into 3 parts and making a braid with it. After that we are going to loosen the braid a little bit from all the sides as you can see, then using a rubber band for securing it, and then we are going to fold the braid out into the hair and then securing it with a pin, and your simple hairstyle is ready. Now you can apply any clip or clutches to it. Next we are going to take a ponytail and loosen it up a little bit. Then we are going to apply a pin in there, and then after that taking out the excess hair and folding them out by applying a rubber band and a pin. Now your hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides and then we are going to make a low ponytail, then folding it out into this bun and applying this pin. Next we are going to take a pony and then applying this beautiful purple color clip on them by twisting the hair into this bun, and after that your simple hairstyle is completed. Next we are going to take all of our hair, putting a finger pin between and then folding them out into a bun, at last applying this clip on them. Next we are going to take a ponytail and by using the stool we are going to fold it out into itself. Then we are going to take the excess hair and applying a rubber band on them, then fold them out again and applying this pin to it, and your hairstyle is completed.